Question number 2 says that some pictures from A to C are given below. Tell which of them show the following 3 bits. Basically what we have to do is from the following 3 bits we have to map or match which of the given visual representations would fit them or suit them the best. So to start with, we have the first bit wherein we have 3 times 1/5. So that means each figure, that is we have 3 figures, and in each figure there will be 5 parts of which one is shaded. And if we put such 3 figures together, we'll get 3/5. So if we carefully observe the option C, we have 3 figures. Each figure has got 5 parts, of which only one is shaded. So each figure represents 1/5. So if we put them together, what we get is 3/5. That is, there are 5 parts, of which 3 are shaded. So option C is the best fit for the first bit. So the answer for the first bit is C. Now coming to the second bit, we have 2 times 1/3. That is, there will be 2 figures. Each figure will have 3 parts, of which one is shaded. And if we put them together, we'll have 2/3. So if we carefully observe the option A, we have 2 circles. Each circle has got 3 parts, of which only one part is shaded. That means each circle represents 1/3. So if we put them together, we get 2 parts being shaded out of the 3 parts. So this is 2/3. So the answer for the second bit is option A. Now coming to the last bit, which is the third bit, we have 3 times 3/4, which is given as 2 times or 2 1/4. So we have 3 figures in here in option B, that is 3 triangles. Each triangle has got 4 parts, out of which 3 parts are shaded. So if we collectively see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, total of 9 parts which are shaded out of a total of 12 parts from the 3 triangles. So this gives us that 2 triangles are completely shaded, and in one triangle only one part is shaded. So this is 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2, and the third triangle has 1/4. So putting them together we'll get 2 1/4. So the answer for the third bit is B. And this is how we solve this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.